Okay, everyone, this is Professor Calderon. I want to talk about movement. There are two kinds of movements. There's object movement and there's camera movement, and they both can affect the illusion of depth or deep space. So first we have the left and right, which is parallel. Objects going like left and right or up and down to the camera is parallel. And objects going in and towards or away from the camera is perpendicular. Okay, we have varying degrees of each. For example, in parallel movement, a object can go left to right, up and down. We have even diagonal and circles. It can go in any combination of any of these and in various degrees. But in general, they're moving parallel to the picture plane. Now, in order for objects moving parallel to the picture plane to produce the illusion of deep space, we need two or more objects traversing across the picture plane at the same time. And what happens is it creates the illusion of relative movement. So the runner, let's say these two runners run the exact same speed and they have to cross the finish line. Well, if they run the exact same speed, they're going to cross the finish line at the exact same time. But it will appear as if the runner in the foreground is moving faster than the runner in the background. And it's because of the relative distance. I'm going to post another video in real life where you can see this principle on the screen. Okay, so you need the two objects to create the illusion of depth when they're running parallel. For perpendicular, it's a little different. And remember, perpendicular is when the object moves away from or towards the camera. Slightly different, but not much. Okay, so here we have two snapshots in this scene. The top one, this is from the film Run Lola Run. And in this shot, she's running towards the camera. Well, what happens is when an object moves from the background towards the foreground or towards the camera, it appears to grow in size. And when an object on the reverse moves away from the camera, it appears to shrink in size. It's that size difference, that change, right, that we see on screen that gives us the deep space cue. Okay, so that's that deep space cue being triggered when we see those objects on a flat two-dimensional surface. It appears to go from large to small. All right, I will see you guys on the next video.